Hello friends, today we shall see how to create Google Classroom and customize it for our students. To start with, what you will need that we shall see first. You will need either a laptop or a PC or a good quality cell phone, any one of them, and the internet connection, good speed internet connection. Now first, open a browser in your PC, laptop or cell phone like Google Chrome browser or Firefox or Internet Explorer that we shall see now. I open here the browser and now type gmail.com in it. This is important because we have to log in first to your Gmail email account. So type your Gmail address. For example, I take this RLT College Akola @gmail.com, or you can simply write RLT College Akola. Of course, I am giving here RLT College Akola, but you have to write down your own personal Gmail address. Click next. Then write the password. It is already here. I click next. Now that I am logged in to my Gmail account, RLT College Gmail account. Now open another tab here and write classroom.google.com and press enter. Now here you can see there is one plus sign given here on the right top corner. Click this sign. In another case, you might find that you may come across one green color window here at the center. So in either cases, you have to click on it. For example, I click here on create or join class. So when I click here, I get two options, join class or create class. Now I want to create class, so I click on create class. Tick this checkbox that we understand and read the above notice, and I am not using Google Classroom at a school with students. Then press continue. Now write the name of your class. For example, I write here RLT College of Science Akola. Now the section I am writing, the section is Vidyasagar Sir's classroom. Then the subject, modern technology, and you can write the room name as well. Generally it is for a school purpose like Rose room, then Jasmine room or something like that. So you can leave this empty. Now create class. It takes certain time because it is customizing your classroom. So within a minute possibly the classroom will be ready. We shall wait for it. Yes, see here the classroom is ready now. It is taking some time. Yes, the Google Classroom is ready. Now here is the classroom code. This one is classroom code. You can see the classroom code like this also in expanded form. You can take the screenshot of this and share it with your students in order to join the classroom. So ZLPMKJ2 is our Google Classroom code. Now here there is one tab, it is called stream. Now stream means whatever you want to regularly provide notices or something like that, the students share with your entire class. This is the list of your all students. Right now there is no student joined to our class, so I just leave it. So you can add the number of notices here. You can add, along with that, you can add the Google Drive information or the link of any particular website or a file like PDF file or YouTube video or something like that. Once you add all these things, you have to click this button, post. Now we shall turn to classwork. Now in classwork, you can give different assignments, topics to your students. For that, there is one button here, create, with a plus sign. Click on it and you will see large number of different types of options available. There is one assignment option, then quiz assignment. Simple assignment means there will be some kind of text assignment. You can give a topic to the students and ask them to read that topic, study that topic, and then there will be a quiz assignment on that particular topic. Then there can be a single question. You can post a single question. You can provide them some material either from your website or your portal or some other website where you find very useful material. You can share it. Then you can reuse the post. Means previously, suppose you had posted some important assignments or question or topic or whatever, you can reuse that post with the customization. And this is the topic in which you can give all these different use these options to provide study material to the students. Now here there is one more. It is people. Right now the teachers of this class is only RLT College of Science Akola, because I have logged in with RLT College of Science Akola. But if you log in with your personal email address, then your name will be visible here. You can add number of teachers by inviting the teachers here. Suppose I invite one teacher, say any one teacher whose email address I already know. For example, our principal. No, I don't have his email address, I think. Okay, I invite myself here, Dattaraj Vidyasagar. I just have to put my email address here and click invite. So the invitation will be sent on my email address. You can see that invitation here on my email address. See, I received the invitation to team teach RLT College of Science Akola Vidyasagar sir's classroom. Now if I click on this join button, I will be automatically included as a teacher in that Google Classroom. See, here I can see the invitation is pending. In the same way, you can add students if you know their email addresses. But if you don't know their email addresses and you only know their cell phone numbers, then you can copy this passcode and write a message to the students that download the Google Classroom on your cell phone or on your PC, and then use this code to join my Google Classroom. So this is the idea that how we can use Google Classroom. After giving different classwork to the student, you have to check, suppose, the grades of the students, that what is the performance of the students. So that can be done by going to this grade tab. Right now there are no students available in our classroom, so we cannot see the grade. There is one more option given here. It is settings. This is gear icon. You have to click on it. The class details, then the general information, the class code is given, what are the streams, classwork for the stream, then the grading, all this information is available in settings page. So friends, in this way you can create your Google Classroom and start teaching the students online. You can decorate your classroom by changing this entire theme here. Select the theme or upload your own customized photo or image on your Google Classroom. So I hope with this it will be quite clear that how to create and use the Google Classroom. Happy online teaching. Thank you.